Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Manish. Today we have here the Alcatel 3X 2019 model. This is a budget-friendly model from the Alcatel brand. Today we are going to do the unboxing and have a hands-on in this one. So let's check out what's inside the box. At the right side and the back side of the box, we can see the highlighted specs of the device. And at the bottom, there is serial number and color details. As this is a review unit, the color I got is jewelry green. And there are two other colors available, that is jewelry black and jewelry rose. Now I am going to open the box and let's see what's inside it. The device. This is a 6.52-inch super full view display. It's quite good looking. We also get a screen protector and the charger, 3.5mm jack headphones, USB-C type charging cable, SIM ejector tool, some user manuals, and they also provide transparent back case. So as you have seen the unboxing of this device, let me start up this one, and in the meanwhile, let's go outside and have a closer look. At the right side of the device, you get the volume rockers and lock-unlock button. It's pretty much same like other devices. At the bottom side, you get two bottom firing speakers and a USB type charging port. Over the top, you get a 3.5mm jack mic and earpiece. At the back side, there is a fingerprint sensor and a triple camera setup, which has a 16 megapixel wide sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Alcatel 3X display is an IPS LCD display. It has a 6.52-inch 82.1% screen-to-body ratio and resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. In the front, you get a dewdrop selfie camera setup which has a 8 megapixel wide sensor and the selfie camera can record videos with 1080p at 30 frames per second. Alcatel 3X has a SIM slot at the left side. It accommodates dual nano SIM, or you can use one nano SIM and expand memory up to 256GB. At the back side, under the light, the jewelry green looks amazing. With glassy finish and the side body has a brush metal finish, it gives grip to hold the mobile, which is an added advantage. The screen touch sensors works perfectly smooth and without any lag. Out of the box, the device is running with an Android 9.0, which is upgradable to Android 10. The review unit which we are having here has an internal memory of 128GB and 6GB of RAM. Some of the noted gestures are easy swipe up and down, 3 fingers screenshot. It comes with app clone feature which allows us to have dual social media accounts in a single device. There is inbuilt screen recorder in which you can record the screen in 720p and 480p resolution. Let's check the sound quality of this device. The bottom firing speaker performs great and it is quite loud, and the bass is average, and I can say overall the sound quality and performance was pretty good. The device comes with MediaTek MT6763 Helio P23 octa-core chipset with Mali G71 GPU. Showing the Alcatel 3X IPS panel, I can say that the color clarity looks good, natural, crisp. Viewing angles are good as well. The triple camera has the depth sensor. The daytime snaps was pretty good and the video also not bad. Overall, the quality of the pictures is crisp, clear and the colors were also natural. Though I'm not a good gamer, but still I tried to play some pre-installed games in order to test. Wow, interesting part. The game is playing perfectly smooth and there was no lagging or hanging. Then moving to battery part, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery. It takes around 2 hours and 45 minutes of charging time, but really it's a huge battery. Alcatel 3X comes in two versions, one with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, and the other version is 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. This device is available in stores across Bahrain. I will try to put some of the purchase links for the Indian fans. I hope you liked this video today. Please comment below the likes and dislikes of this Alcatel 3X 2019 device. Please like, share and subscribe for us to grow. Thank you.